Welcome to another review of Cyberverse Legion class toy. This time we're reviewing Ratchet. The intellectual, the scientist, the researcher. He is the smartest of all Autobots. If we could get that to focus so we can see his face up close. Nice Autobot logo on his shoulder there. And he comes with a scalpel. Red scalpel that either attaches to his arm here, or he can hold on to it, but it's very tight, so I don't want to put it on there right now. His transformation is very simple. You just rotate his shoulders up. Actually, he comes out of the box just like that. And you rotate his arms upwards. These peg together. And his legs just rotate up like this. And there you go. Ratchet in EMT vehicle mode. A little 360-degree view. You can see his face there, but that's okay. It's a Legion class figure, so it's smaller than Ironhide, Ultra Magnus, and Prime. To transform him back out, we just pull his legs, like so, and his feet. And his arms just go down, like that. And he's back into the Ratchet robot mode. Thank you.